children. Namaste. I hope you are enjoying yourself online learning, and your enjoying of online learning totally depends on your interest, curiosity, and desire to learn something, to grasp something. If you have no interest, no curiosity, you can never understand anything. First and foremost, the important thing is that you should have interest. What is being conveyed to you, what is being taught to you, you should cultivate your interest, your curiosity, eagerness, desire to learn something. Then it will be very appropriate and commendable. Otherwise, it will be meaningless. My dear students, for the last 2 days, I have been repeating the same thing, reminding you of the same thing, that you have to learn the name of the chapters and the writer's name. But I am sure some of you have learned, but many of you have not learned so far. That is very bad. In the classroom, when the school reopens, when the school runs as usual, I will ask you these questions. And at that time, if you fail to answer me, I will be very unhappy with you. Okay? So first and foremost thing is you have to learn all the chapters and writer's name. It will be very convenient to you, and you will feel very energetic, optimistic, hopeful, and you will feel that you know everything literature. Just try. Okay? Now, second thing here, yesterday I gave you the story, the gist, the summary of the first chapter, Monkey Trouble. Yes? Who has written it? It has been written by Ruskin Bond. Good. An Anglo-Indian writer. Indo-Anglian writer, sorry. Indo-Anglian writer. Means the writer, the person who belongs to India and writes in English. Ruskin Bond belongs to India and writes in English. So he is regarded as Indo-Anglian writer. Now his story you enjoyed, I think. It was based on a mischievous monkey who created a lot of chaos, trouble in the market. You know well. Today I have sent you the questions answers of this topic, of this chapter. You will write down all the questions and answer in your LW copy. You will never miss it. You will write all the questions and answer in your LW copy. Okay? And for today, only this much is sufficient. Thank you.